I'll start by moving the headlight assembly and your turn signal assemblies. You're going to separate this part, and you'll see this little black piece right here, and that's what you want to file down. So I'm just taking a file and I'm filing this piece down. A little easier with two hands. Once you got that filed down enough to fit the housing in, you slide your wiring through this top hole here. Grab your bolt, give yourself a liberal amount of blue Loctite, and go ahead and screw in. Tighten that light to the housing using the Allen bolt that it comes with. Go ahead and find your turn signal plug. You're going to connect the turn signal male and female ends. Your halo running lights, which are going to connect to your war bonnet light. You're going to run it through there and then back up into the headlight housing. Make sure you keep it clean. Got plenty of zip ties. I like to run mine out through in front of the forks. Go ahead and tighten your 3 bolts down. Do the same thing on both sides. And then you're going to come to your wiring. Now you're going to have this little black wire here. Some models it's going to be labeled war bonnet. On the Darkhorse it's just there hanging. So you're going to take your female end and plug it right into the male end. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other side and just daisy chain them. And then if you do have a war bonnet, you can still run your war bonnet to this. Well, now that we got all the wiring done, pretty simple. Just clean it up, zip tie everything, and make it look nice. Now that we've got our wiring all cleaned up, it's time to reinstall the headlight assembly. Once the headlight assembly is in, go ahead and install the gasket around the light. Once you're done, it should look like that. Go ahead and test out your electronics. Start it up and your running light should turn on. It's hard to tell, but it's a nice white halo in person. The light kind of washes it out. Turn signal. Make sure you got the correct sides. Hazards. Everything's working. Some dynamics on a Indian Chieftain Darkhorse. This is a 2020. The signals that you're going to get are the Pro beams, and they're designed for the Indian Chief and Springfield models, and you got to do a little fabrication. Part number is PB-IND-FTS-AW-B. Last tip is always make sure your toolbox is organized so you can find the right parts.